Ayitsho correct bafethu sekena ikhuza sesibuyile via second bafethu the Black Valcast via second bafethu. Welcome again bafethu. Masishuta the second episode ye sports edition. Niyazi bafethu ukuthi zonke izinto ezimnandi zasekasi ka disc ka sports ka ufela tsona bafethu lithola yiso uNtsembe the Val Podcast. Bafethu ke vikely one ke na le ntshaka ka jeno yiso e sharpile round. Re tlo 1 2 3 4 5 nyana ka tsa disc nyana. Into tse tsalang ka sport mara haholo bafethu ntse re batlang ho fetisa message mo lo gore we want to focus ka into tse tsalang ko kasi di tournament tsa ko kasi le disc tse tsalang ko kasi players tse tloang ko kasi and ba yang ko mazweni and shout out to all the players tse tswang ka ga Vale bafethu tse tswang ka kasi ngwe le ngwe teng. Shout out to everyone who's pushing behind closed doors bafethu. We see you, we are here to support. Either into tse baya ke Ntsembe bafethu ngosinathi ka zone di second ekhuza kyo ayiphezu kwenye bafethu.
Hola, Kasi. This is Ace, well-known Kasi. Today we'll be uncovering disc, as you know it, from PSL to local vibes. We have everything.
So mnandi
Sure.
welcome Brian. Today sizokhuluma ngezinto ze-sports angisho.
Yeah.
Bafethu anekili last time iblomele fezile. Ke la ka mjetsa ska khola. Mara ke tlo mphethela pe ke mohopole. I told him gore pagania le tsova via second MTN 8 ke yona. No, ha se yona ke wa fa ke yona ya tla. Who wa fa fezile last time I told him this cup it's designed for Orlando Pirates. Actually it should be named after Orlando Pirates. That means ba ibitseka Orlando Pirates Cup. But I got into the bafethu Orlando Pirates and really monana ka the previous episode. I said Orlando Pirates bafethu to push it until Makgaolakgang of which ibile di finals tsa yona MTN 8 mo re boneng e hlola sehlopha sa sona Stellenbosch again this year. But unfortunately with tough luck Orlando Pirates are out from CAF Champions League. Now that we see only the only team that is left Mamelodi Sundowns. And then for Confederations
Kosi and still is still representing us.
When njalo yebinga
Yeah.
Now that Orlando Pirates is out of the competition, and did you see the group stage? You see the team it's got group Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah. I did. And they
very tough.
So sure, but another thing, like this time, Brian, I feel like as Lamatimu to Alliance Zanzi, we are now targeted. Sundowns has to do like better than they did the last time. The pressure is too much. Lucky enough, Urulana geko manje compare ageko we came because they had a problem with their former coach Umangoba, who's defeating them left, right, and center.
No, Marangento, Urulana buyile nge the team lese Algeria. Yeah, but group in one.
In the same group,
Mamelodi Sundowns.
Also Faisal.
I don't think the Lupo Ponayo, the ones who not the Ilokunja, so Sazo via second, doing it again like that.
I can't wait for energy Gamukoko. That guy brings the vibes with football, drama, everything.
Oh, all right. Yeah. Maskisi kancane. Yeah, as I'm saying ukuthi sizobona via second umkoko via second repeating what he did here in South Africa. So according to behavior le umkoko as a South African, now you're not talking about personal feelings or maybe banter for each teams, but now talking about whatever that we saw from the Lupopo team. Do you see that something that we need in sports? Do they have a sportsmanship according to you?
Well, firstly, as a team was say Africa Prime, they have this thing of intimidate, bravo. But I feel like the energy, la much it does, especially Umkoko, like it brings more tension. It makes it more interesting for me. The presence here at grounding. I really enjoyed what I saw last because it was not only about just like game, about the other things is affecting.
So Bekadlala ama-main games.
Yabo, kumele testwa i-mental fitness yama-cheetah and I feel like he came out on top cheetah.
No, bafethu esinani nizwela bafethu, it's correct. He is correct, but also we have different views how we saw things. You know, we can say somehow, but the behavior of the team, how the things and the road, maybe bedlalele Orlando. For me, go as we are here for sports. Per se, I can say for a minute, I didn't see the sportsmanship in them.
Yeah.
Even though we are rivals in the team and must face and playing against each other, but we still have to respect each other as
That's why we
opponents.
call
Right?
it a beautiful game.
Exactly, that's why we call it a beautiful game. Despite of those main games, Mukoko brought or Lupopo brought, but at the end of the day, we still had to witness the beautiful game from both teams,
Yeah.
right? Of which is football. And then we leave along, listen to Les Bezenzagala, that we saw them more often, there's a trend, you know, how they played, more especially at DRC.
Yeah.
Exactly, how they were treating the Orlando players, Orlando Pirates players in the field. It's not something that we want to see with sports. It's not something that we want to see with football because all we want to see is good football, teams enjoying. You know, we're not saying teams shouldn't lose. Teams should lose, yes, and lose will maybe be accepted.
Yeah.
But let that lose, let that everything came with a beautiful character, you know, at the end of the day.
Yeah, but I feel like you can't only blame it on Ilupopo or Umukoko as a person. Like, if federation, country have had a job to do to treat outsiders trend. I feel like they allowed most of those things. But even case and all that, I don't feel like they did enough to address to be on the safe side as a federation country. I don't feel like they did enough, and I feel like that behavior somehow by a promoter in a way. Because at the end of the day, bafike corner true that very same behavior.
No, you're spot on, Jayam. You're spot on. Whatever that you say, it's something that the federation, address. So, Brian, ngifuna nje kuphela ukuthatha kancane to PSL.
Yeah.
Now that now we see things the way sezenza ngakhona, it's very tight there on top.
Oh, I like it this way, bro.
Very
All the
powerful.
strength of a time where
Yes, I like
kuzoba
it.
neBhakania, kuzoba neKhosi ku-top 3. It makes our league more interesting and iphakamisa the performance of players because even off field kunenkulumo lamajita afuna ukuziprova egroundini. Yeah, right now I like it this way.
You know, Mfethu, I've always said ebantwini that the day Kaizer Chiefs performs in this country, we're going to witness the best ever Premier League.
Yeah.
You can imagine having those top 3 teams fighting each and every week the way they do. Like now, first 3 teams, it's big teams, of which it's Orlando Pirates, it's Mamelodi Sundowns, it's Kaizer
It's been
Chiefs.
so long since we've had that type of
Exactly.
It's been
You know,
very long.
now week in, week out, we see sold out. You go to Kaizer Pirates, it's sold out. You go to Kaizer Chiefs, it's sold out.
And it doesn't matter if it's midweek or during the weekend, it's always full. And it doesn't matter the opponent.
This is the vibe that since in Kulumanga I'm saying the time Kaizer Chiefs is a performer very well in our country, then if football is over, enjoy it. I always say each and every household in South Africa has a Kaizer Chiefs fan. You can see if those guys they win if it. So So manje, having to speak about the top 3 and everything. But we still have to talk about the most important thing of it. Who will be the champions again?
I feel like Bhakania Prime has the upper hand.
Yeah.
Now, besides performance cheetah, we have games in hand, but the games in hand don't necessarily mean points in hand.
Exactly.
Yeah, but then as performance Bhakania, I feel like those guys are gonna take it far. Because if these 2 games in hand, Bayai winner Priamo, Sihlala on top, Ikosi is 1 game behind Sundowns and 3 points behind also. So it's going to be tricky. It's gonna be very tricky, Prime, but I feel like Bhakania so far.
But the performance in Bhakania is not for the first time we see it. We saw it last season happening with Jose Rivero and
it goes back to the question of consistency then.
So can I say mina khona manje ngithi siyabazi baqala kanjani?
You'd be right to say so, but then
and Sundowns will take it still.
You can say that because it happened before.
If I can say Sundowns is
not this time, not this time. Yawazi amajita twins and this time. Everyone othola chance they make sure they use that opportunity. Like everyone uthole chances. Nama player baya ibhakaniya, everyone ongenayo ufuna ukuclaim indawo yakhe, iposition yakhe nayo eteamini. So iyasinceda thina riding as a team because ama games ayawinwa, everyone makafikile, obumuremi, those guys ever since ba show up
no nje the way ukhuluma khona ne I can sense then there nalapho ngathatha khona man. You sound like Orlando Pirates fan.
Yeah, a true Buccaneer. I am a true Buccaneer.
So it's like a true Orlando Pirates fan. For the first 2 games of experience as an Orlando Pirates fan, how you felt? And then in this crossing about asking you, said, I just want to get this one.
Yeah. It was mixed emotions from the start because, I feel like our first 2 games, Priam, it was hard for us as a Buccaneer because we felt like we hired the wrong coach. We felt like we got the whole project wrong. But if I don't feel like Ngisila is corner manje because everything is going smoothly. Only to be disappointed. Manje sitting at the most NHS nayo. Yeah, kungono ukuthi siqale ngalama losses because I think we learned a lot from them. Sakhona ukuthi futhi silungise and going forward I think sizoba steady. Ibe foundation ethu kuyiwa lamalos lawa ethu. So I think we grew from those 2 losses.
But now had you imagined ukuthi if Orlando Pirates had won those first 2 games of the league, bewamele ukuthi khona ngoku we talking history is different about the league and maybe saying ukuthi mhlawumbe this time around angeke isaya eMarabastad sizoya eOrlando. For how the coach started, as I said, I felt I'm one of those who judged the coach, and somehow I felt the coach is not good enough. Because of the way afike ngakhona etimini. But now, for the way unikhansele ngakhona, do you still feel ukuthi he's a good coach for this job that will take Orlando Pirates to the greener pastures?
Great question, Brian, because I feel like Ama wins have a way of blinding us as Ama fans. The more you win, the more you assume that everything is running smoothly, only to find out that Maganga lose again, 1 or 2 games. So pin the scale, put it all to scare Sambona, was it Galen Flopile, but I feel like the guy's on a good track. I feel like Mchito crane for a job, Mina, Uwamanj. Nangelela arothetanga yama players ya ukruza amuwaka isa wonke chance azothola i-final product i-league isase
he's resting amanye ama-legs he's resting legs to get fresh legs again for a-league because it's a marathon and so you need everyone who's fresh and kuyamuva the coach ye-Orlando Pirates make khuluma ngama-player wakhe akubench akakhulume ngama-substitute uthi ama-impact player.
Yeah, because every time bengene building they have impact still.
They have something to do.
Yeah.
And kune situation mfethu esayenzeka la eOrlando la. Andazi ukuthi wabawe ngaso esintwana yethu asekasi intwana khona ngayayi eShavas eShavini uThepang Moreng. Naye first few games Orlando Pirates he couldn't find his feet. And somehow kwaba le situation in Orlando Stadium where ama fans bekembhuma khona. Makengene groundini. Wayibona leyo situation.
Ndayibona and
wafila kanjani as a Buccaneer?
As iBuccaneer as out yasevali prime, I feel like singama fans sometimes I don't know siba emotional yabo. Because at the end of the day, futhi faneke salute umchita for mental fitness yakhe. If it was some other random guy, mhlambe give up from that moment or I lose confidence. But manje, like recently, is the player who have an impact to kudlula amanye players. Like game in, game out, every time in the ground we are push umchita. So props to him, Umremi, for ukuthi afike achinche mentality abantu, even those who didn't believe it.
And he's currently 2 goal scorer ku Pirates. He scores every game and most crucial games.
And he's that goals. One player athi makangena ama-Buccaneer wonke abe hope right now. So speak to his mental fitness.
From being booming to be a hero today.
So ikazi ukuthi riding and Spanish coach still. Coach has a lot to do with that kind of mentality because coach Spanish sakhe ukumotivate le ntwana, even though ayibonile ukuthi last game be treatwe njani, but still anikeza lamandla ukuthi mina as your coach I believe in you, I believe in your potential. Naye untwana I think imboostile confidence ukuthi abe la khona naye.
100% bafethu nizivele nayo ukuthi sive naye uyibeka njengoba injalo bafethu. He's saying everything that is very good to say ukuthi his character uMoremi it's something else, you know. And I think ukuthi we need to give shout out kwabantu abasondelane noMoremi during ikhathi so, because one, playing for a team like Orlando Pirates, it's one of the big teams in South Africa, and it has a lot of fans, and for him to be in that situation and to come out to be the player that he is, it says a lot also about the person that he is. It says a lot again about the environment, the cycle, and I don't know which maybe at Pirates they also have those psychologists or people who are there to assist the players in such situations where they are facing things happening in their psychological manners. But for now, as we also sesikhulumile a lot about Orlando Pirates, a lot about Kaizer Chiefs, a lot about Sundowns, but we still have teams like Golden Arrows. We see them. We see Abu TS Galaxy. We can name them Mazipaya. You know, we have a lot of teams as is Provayo now and then. That's why sometimes you see a new team being there. My semi-final. Sometimes Stellenbosch took us by surprise even to go to my finals. Now we have a new team going to a final, Orlando Pirates, Black Label,
which is Imarumo Gallants, and it's gonna be intense. I feel like Makufikelela Pirates is gonna do even better than he did. Because he's now the pillar of the team, and the Umchita Ubuya Pakania. We've always had that problem guessing Pakania. Yes. Our former players. That's too much. I remember this game here last season. It's delay last season because suddenly thrown a cheaper Nikolika Mused.
Exactly.
Which seemed out. So it's not as simple as Abantu Baby.
So when Ubonu coming in as a player that's going to have an impact in that Orlando Pirates team, in that middle field, Orlando Pirates, you see him doing what he's doing currently, and to shake that middle.
He's done it against the best. He's done it against the Sundowns. Ndlondlo was very crucial against the Sundowns. I feel like that throw away the Sundowns, that was Ndlondlo. But that guy, we are stand up at big games, and I feel like that's why we signed him. Even Tina as a Pakania was China like from the start. Bega slula, bega begunzi mukdala against Tina as an opponent. Nemtachela. Yeah.
Correct, Brian. And I think with everything that we have said in Jayan, you have said most fully, and everything that we have said, it was orientated around the football, and everything that we have said, it was one of the interesting conversations that we can have. Now that we are closing, now we have a tournament coming. We are looking up to the festive season. And now we are looking up to a lot of good things that are happening lana you know, now that we are coming to the festive season, when you know wait before that layer final Maruma and Pirates, we have a player was Seval.
Yes.
In that final. You know that
in the Brahma Park.
You know that
he's here represent.
How many players do you have, Marum? As a Seval?
Kumarumo Gallants. I'm not sure about the number, but
you have a few.
Namo bringing up those guys. It's good for us that tournament, even whether of every Pakania or whether of Maru Valley, because it should be hit.
So it's well represented.
It's well represented from Amachita and the impact. You won't get Amachita school. They are not just like ordinary players. They are players, impactful players. Nagule finalists, Beguti Umremanga Swinella as a Mapakani. That's out from the gas.
Kuyo daso Kumarumo, we have Ukamuelo Stolem. We have Mpofu Chabatani and Sinotebu Kapatia, Kumarumo Gallants. We have 3 players from the Val. We also have 4 players from the Val, Orlando Pirates, Tabiso Libito, Tsapang Moremi, re lebohile Mofokeng, Boitumelo Radiopane,
Exceptional players. Those are not ordinary players that you just mentioned.
exceptional players from the Val.
Players. Yeah.
So Bafethu Val, it's well represented. We call him Black Label final nge 6 is that December. So now siyaku festive. La izinto lezo ziqale khona.
Yeah,
Where we see abo Future. Abo Mphotshabatsane, they played in this tournament. Abo Kamuhelo Sithole, they played in this tournament. The very same Kapadia played in this tournament. Boitumelo Radiopane played in this tournament. Now it's a Pamuremi, Buddha. He played in these tournaments. They come from the dusty streets. Bapuma kona iye Makasana. Ayintwana ezabana maphupha khode and said ukuthi nabo they will push on one day. As we see, same thing nabo Masindi. Masindi is from Shawela. Naye from here, just from the tournament. Now he's wearing a t-shirt, a very big t-shirt with a star on top. Yes. So khona manje Brian kunama tournament azayo festive season saqala zone 7 da Kingdom basipha I prep bathi bafethu ake nithatheni kancane amandla before songena ku Kasi World Cup
main course ke lapho kwenzakala khona imagic
no ku Kasi World Cup mfethu according to wena ne discuss eKasi this tournament zilethani inteke yeMakasana Lioness
as you wena mebra eKasi like I feel like we don't have enough role models yabo amajita ngoku are doing their best because bayabona ukuthi a guy from Val can make it anywhere intwana esifana nabo Bongezana look where they are right now amajita emele siwa recognize lawo as ama role models weKasi I think it is keKasi licala ukuthathwa serious because bayabona ukuthi it's not just for fun anymore you can change your life through it is uphinde ugive back to the same Kasi elikukhulisile so I feel like lamajita kumele lama tournaments lana afana nala we should take them very seriously because lamajita they don't just get there by luck baqala khona la so thina we should be present from the start nathi singathi sesibona amajita le khana sesifuna ukuba support untwana zaseKasi kumele sizisupport kule festive siphume out in numbers sibonisa amajita support
bafethu mina all I can say is that as a plug Valcast siyabantu baseVal bafethu all you say ukuthi riyatla siyeza this show this sports edition it will pro iyaphezulu bafethu gale palam phezulu from no until sesohlangana sikhona la zone 7 sikhona la kwaPaul hawule monatili beat the plug Valcast is the next big thing for Kasi Brian lentole yala
very proud
to the
next level it's for Kasi by Kasi to Kasi
Kasi
yeah
cha